so cute. Don't take it off. You're the big kahuna. Ollie, nobody's ever dressed you up in a cute outfit before. Ollie. Ollie.
Take it off then.
Ollie.
That's dog abuse.
It's not. We're going to take it off him after we have our fun. Oh, Ollie. Come here, Ollie. Ollie, look at you. You're so handsome. Like he could take himself for a walk right now. Oh, Oliver.
Ollie,
you're so funny. Let me see the belly. Give me the belly. Give me that belly. Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? Give me that. Look at that handsome boy.
Look it.
Come look at Oliver, Ma.
Yes.
Look at that boy. Look at that face. Are you so upset? Look, you're not that upset. Okay, you love me. I'll give you a biscuit. I'll give you a biscuit. Oh, now you're going to pull on the string. Okay, I just want to make sure you don't hate me.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, bye.